everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome, Solomon. Welcome. All right, guys. Had an interesting day in the markets today. Um, we'll go through that. The Dow was down. S&P was up, and Nasdaq was up. Russell was down. So mixed. So we'll go over the markets. I think we had several uh, pairs closed. All right. So I want to spend some time. We'll go through Monster Scalper. All right. So Forex. But before we get started, I want to take a quick look at the US 30. All right. US 30 pullback today, right? On the Dow, right? The Dow was down. So we know that's the US 30 here. All right. So it pulled back. All right. I know some of you got kicked out of the trade, but that trade is still holding. All right. So pull down, right? Big candle here, right? Held support, and now it's bouncing back higher. All right. So um just continue to hold the position. On this is a bit of a concern here, right here on the daily time frame. We did get a purpose support and resistance because of that move a bit lower. Okay, so just be aware. We should be still good though. All right, to continue to move higher. All right, but we'll keep an eye on that purpose support and resistance. But overall, still holding. This was a big dip here. All right, right here. All right, but buyers came back in and it held. All right, so um, it's fine. All right, for now. For now. Okay. On the daily time frames, okay, so your index is on the daily. The Dow, right? S&P, right? S&P making all-time highs, right? Made new all-time highs today on the S&P, right? If I can open this up here, hold on. Big picture, weekly time frames are still intact. All right, but here's the S&P right here, made all-time highs today. Okay, so no concerns there with the S&P. All right, same with the Nasdaq. Here's the Nasdaq there. All right, even the Russell is getting in on the action. Okay, all right, so Russell is right here, and look at the VIX. VIX is at 12. All right. Only concern though, a lot of these indexes here, we still have half of the sectors rather are still down. All right. You see they're red here. So if we need buyers to really come in, all right, we need these sectors to turn around. All right. Stock Boss, Bullmaster, still not getting a lot of new opportunities. Okay. So hopefully that will change. Let's take a look at current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay, now we've been doing well, but it looks like I haven't taken a look at these. I saw the alerts come through though. So let's see what closed today. And we have a lot of positions here, right? Hopefully some of these close and we're able to take some profits. All right. So our pound yen. All right, pound yen buy signal is here, still holding. What a job with pound yen. All right, still holding right at resistance right here. It looks like it wants to break through that resistance here. All right, good resistance here. Buy signal was here, all the way down here. All right, trading right here. That's for about, what's that? About 600 pips, guys. All right, so great trade here with pound yen. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen closed. Okay, so buy signal was here. We got a red candle right here. Sell signal by our systems here. So close the trade. So CAD yen go ahead and close the trade. All right. CAD yen, close the trade, please. All right. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen, red candle came in today. So go ahead and close that trade. Red candle got a bounce here, but that trade is over. Remember, whenever you guys get a red candle, it's over. That's done. All right, that's done. We could see sellers come back in again heavy. So red candle, that's done. Now, if it breaks through that resistance, if it breaks through, nice big candle, right? That might be an opportunity, but just consider that trade done. So Aussie yen, close the trade there. Dollar yen. Hey, Mike. Welcome, Mike. Welcome. Dollar yen. Close that trade, please. Great trade here. For how many pips was this? For about 600 pips, guys. Opened at 142 and change. Closed at 148 and change. So right about 600 pips. So great trade. This is exactly what we want. Now, it didn't get all the way to its target here, but hey, we'll take that. 600 pips. All right. So dollar yen closed. All right. So buy signal all the way down here. Perfect trading here. Buy signal on break of resistance here. All right. All right. Closed here. Broke support. Support is right here. All right. Here's your support line. White candle, sell signal. Perfect exit. Right. I wish we could get that every single time, but good trading there. All right, so dollar yen, close that trade, please. All right. HKD JPY, HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen pair. All right, this one closed also. All right, so the yen pairs are closing. All right. All right, how many pips was this? What's that? About a little over 600 pips, guys. All right, so buy signal here all the way down here. All right, sell signal, almost a perfect exit there. So buy signal, break up this resistance right here. You guys see that right here? Right here. Sell signal, broke support, almost similar to dollar yen. All right, so if anyone is in, if you're in these trades, close them. Sell signal here, okay? All right, so that rotation seems to be ending. All right, so we'll look for, see if we can find another rotation. All right, HKD JPY, so close that trade, please. Take profits. All right, I wouldn't be surprised with the other yen pairs closing. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a sell signal here in pound yen. The dollar pairs got a bid higher. So here's the futures dollar dollar futures right here. All we're waiting for is a buy signal in the dollar index, right, in the futures market. So all we need is a buy signal, right? This is where the last buy signal came in. Here we are. It's up right now. All right. So we need a buy signal that will help our dollar pairs. Okay. So buy signal right here, USD CZK. All right, buy signal here. All right, broke. Purple support and resistance right here, moving higher. First target is right here. First target, so it's near that target. USD HUF, that one broke through nicely. Buy signal here. Remember, guys, bring in your markdown phase, your markup phase. Buy signal all the way down here. All green candles, nothing to do. As long as you have green candles, guys, stay in those positions. Okay, hold. Try to be firm. All right. If you've got green candles. All right. So all green candles, no concerns, broke resistance. Now, this might be a concern here. All right. No, we still hold the trade, but here is a high here. I wouldn't call it resistance. And then here we are here. So we got to get past this area. Not a big deal. Next target, though, next real target would be resistance up here. All right. All right. That's USD HUF. USD NOK. All right. Buy signal here. Here's your markdown phase, your markup. Previous buy signal for a small profit. next trade right here. Here is our target here. All right. USD NOK. USD CAD, dollar CAD. All right. That closed. All right. Closed here. So close the trade USD CAD. That's done with. All right. Pound pairs. All right. All right. So great trading here with the pound pairs. We can remove this first target here. All right, here's your markdown phase, markup phase. All right, here's your buy signal here, all the way down here, guys. It's trading up here. Purple support and resistance. It's holding so far. So just continue to hold. That's for a lot of pips too. Good amount of pips right here, about 600 pips. Notice on average, these are about 600 pips. Okay. So remember when we catch a run on the 240, on the 240-minute time frame for Forex, right? Usually that run we catch a run like this here, should stay in for about 3 weeks a month. Okay. And that's on average is what you'll see, 4, 5, 600 pips. All right. If those trades go longer, right? 5 going to 5 weeks, 6 weeks, then we could see, 800, 1,000 pips. So these are closing out right around 5, 600 pips there. All right. So not bad. Hey, not bad. So pound New Zealand, buy signal here, holding right here at resistance. Keep an eye on this one. You have sellers here, and here we are, purple support and resistance. Just like we had a purple support and resistance here when the sellers came in. So just keep an eye on that, right? If you want to just take profits, close the trade, you can certainly do that. All right. But we'll leave it for now. It's still open. All right. Green candles there. All right. But with the other, well, let's see here. That's pound New Zealand, pound Aussie, because we can tell how the others are trading. That could give us clues. So we've got, let's put this, let's leave this here. All right, yeah. So right here is your resistance here. Here we are, right? Went right up to its first target, guys, for a lot of pips. Okay. Buy signal was here. Here we are all the way up here. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. Okay. That's pound Aussie. All right, if you want to take profits, that's fine too. Pound Swiss, right? Buy signal is here, right? Here is your resistance right here. This one is holding. If it breaks through that near-term resistance right here, we could see buyers really come in like they did here. All right, so good trading with the pound pairs also. All right, Euro Aussie closed. All right, Euro Aussie closed. All right. Here's your markdown phase. Remember, bring in your lines. Markup. Buy signal was here. Red candles. Let's remove this. Red candles, sell signal right at support here. All right. So good trading there. All right. Take profits. Okay. All right. That's Euro Aussie. Let's remove that. All right. Aussie New Zealand. All right. Aussie New Zealand. Hit its target, its first target here. All right. This is where we have resistance right here. All right. A bit of a pullback really low right here, all the way down here. But look, buyers came back in, held that trend line. That's encouraging. We just need buyers to continue to move higher, hopefully break through resistance and start testing the second target here. All right. So I would just hold on for now. We do have purple support and resistance all over the place. All right. But no signs of real concern. We don't have any white candles. So hopefully buyers could come back in. That's Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Swiss, that's holding. All right. So Aussie Swiss buy signal is here. All right. So hopefully it will move higher. Target is up here. Here is your resistance. This is where sellers are sitting. You guys can see that clearly up here. All right. Notice that we haven't sent out any new alerts. All right. So Now that these positions are closing, we'll start to look for some new opportunities, probably in the dollar long. Keep an eye on the dollar long, okay? Dollar long. Forex dominator, all right? So you guys know Monster Scalper, we trade Forex on the 240-minute time frame. Forex dominator, we trade on the daily time frame. That's our trend following system. Okay. So USD EURTRY, that's continuing to hold. Buy signal here, right? Long consolidation, but nothing to do. Just be patient. USD TRY, buy signal is here. That's holding great previous trades. EURCZK, all right, nice breakout. Finally, it's breaking to the upside. Buy signal was here, a bit of a pullback, held the trend line, broke resistance, right? And a lot of nice buying yesterday and today. Okay, so EURCZK, we'll see if the euro pairs might follow. All right, we'll take a look at the euro pairs. We might do that this evening if we have time, which we should. All right. Pound GBP NZD. GBP NZD. This is a new one. All right. Buy signal here, holding first target right here. All right. GBP PLN. Buy signal here. This is a new buy signal here, moving higher. All right. First target up here. GBP PLN. That's your Polish pair. Pound SGD, Singapore dollar. Buy signal here, green candles. Here's our target here. This is where sellers are sitting, okay? Fairly new here, a dollar pair, dollar USD CZK in Forex dominator. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Big candle came in today. Big candle here, holding. All right, USD CZK. CAD yen buy signal here right at that resistance right here. As a matter of fact, let's move this. Give it a little bit of room here. Move that here. Let's break through that resistance is what we need. That's CAD yen. All right, so not bad trading in Forex, okay? All right, 1 second, guys. So we will look through we'll look for some new opportunities in Forex this evening. Because of the selling today in equities, we'll run Stock Boss and Bullmaster. I doubt there is more opportunities, so we'll wait on those systems. All right, as far as the futures, the two futures position we have, let's take a quick look at those. I doubt anything has changed. Okay. So the E-mini, S&P E-mini, hold on. No, this is futures. All right, S&P mini, still moving nicely higher here. That's your S&P in the futures market, monster futures. And then we've got feeder cattle. All right, feeder cattle. Look at feeder cattle. All right, right at resistance, guys. Look at that big candle today, looking to break through resistance. All right, so both positions look okay. All right. Stock Boss. Let's go through Stock Boss. Remember, with stock, I wouldn't be surprised if we got some selling, all right, in equities, sell signals in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. We'll go through this quickly, and then we'll look for some opportunities in in Monster Scalper. All right. If we've got a white candle, we'll hold. White candle, still hold. Green candle, obviously we hold. Red candles will close the trade. Sell signal by our system, close the trade. All right. So UP, that's holding. ZIM, that's holding. Nice, nice price action here. Looking to break through that resistance. Buy signal was here at $9. Close today at 13.79. Right. We need to get past resistance here, and then second target is up here. So this stock is holding fine. All right. All right. CLVT, that's holding, moving up nicely there. HCAT, holding support, white candles. Just keep an eye on it. Good markdown phase. UIS, right, moving up nicely, right. It didn't gap up, but it made a nice move higher, retraced a bit, but still moving higher. Let's see if we have a next target. Next target. So the buy signal, guys, was at 378, trading at 749. That's great. Next target, $14. All right. So good trade going there. UIS. No changes there. All right. Holding, VIAV, holding. All right, this one is holding, moving up nicely here. MCW, moving up nicely. Now, keep an eye on that purple support and resistance, okay? Especially when they come in right near resistance. So just keep an eye on it. I wouldn't close the trade. Just keep an eye on it. All right. Same with this one here. All right. All right, holding. This one is holding. All right. GRTS, that's holding. We talked about this one last night, right? So we got to get past to really see this one move. We got to get past this resistance up here. Even if it clears this area, that would be encouraging. Okay, but buy signal at right at $2, trading at 276. Right. Currently, buyers are still holding it. Okay. All right. INO, this one gap down, guys. White candle here. We'll close this one. All right. Gap down near previous resistance becomes support. If it gets down in this area here, guys, right, we could really see sellers come in. The concern here is that it gapped down with a white candle here. So sellers, they want to short it. Now, if you look here, right, sellers really come into this stock heavy. They'll come in heavy. So close it. INO, it's in profit, right? And this is too bad, right? Because really it was doing really well. All right. So buy signal was at 44. All right. Really needed to hold support here, right? Buyers needed to come back in, but gap down, white candle, it's done for now. All right. This was the one we were looking. Boy, if it could get at 44 cents, get up to $2, $3, $4, that would have been great. But it's over. All right. INO, close the trade, please. INO. All right, this one is holding. 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 Big candle today. Holding. 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 QD's got some white candles here. Keep an eye on it if anyone is in it. It has support right here. So we needed to hold support right here. Bounce. We need buyers to come back in, continue moving higher. Okay. Keep an eye on it, please. All right. Good trade going here. STKL, buy signal all the way down here. Buy signal was at right at 430, 440, trading at 596. Here is our target here, and it looks good. Look here, good price action, making higher lows, great candles. All right, look at that. That's exactly what we want to see. Moving up nicely to its target here. All right, this one is holding fine. All right, LESL, right, looks good. Buy signal was right here, 579. All right, I think we entered here. After all of this, we entered here. Good candles. Look at the candles here. Really good candles, right? Every day, guys, buyers are making higher lows. Exactly what we want to see. All right, heading towards its first target and then possibly getting to its second target there. All right. All right. RYAM buy signal here holding nicely, right? We needed to break through resistance here. So not bad. Nothing to change in stock boss, right? Even after some selling today in the Dow. Okay, so that's good. They're holding. All right. Bull Master. All right, holding. Nice breakout AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, right? Broke resistance here. All right, we don't have a second target, so just let it run until you get a red candle, sell signal. Even a white candle, you might want to get out on. Okay, CAMT, buy signal here. That's trading nicely there. All right, this one here, CTLT, trading right at resistance there. So keep an eye on it. Looks good to continue to move higher though. It's at resistance. DV, good trade going here. Buy signal all the way down here. Here is your markdown phase. Remember, guys, bring in your lines, your trend lines. Markdown phase, accumulation, markup. Here's your buy signal. We're all the way here. All right, so target right here. Okay, that's DV. All right, this one is holding nicely. Early one here, good markdown phase, right? When you look for these guys, make sure you've got, especially with equities. Now, Forex, a bit trickier, all right? You'll get volatility, right, in your markdown phase, just how Forex trades. But with equities, you should be able to get really good markdown phases. Okay, so good markdown phase, accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal here. Candles moving up nicely there. Nothing to change. This one is holding. All right, this one is breaking resistance. All right, buy signal here, breaking resistance here. All right, this one is approaching its target. All right, when this we talk about this, but just as a reminder, when they get into their targets, just pay attention. Do not close the trade unless you're in big, right? You want to take some profits, but there are many times when they'll break through that resistance and new buyers will come in to push your price higher. Okay, just like this one here, MKSI, buy signal is all the way down here. Here's your markdown phase. All right, and here it is breaking resistance. Okay, so let it, if it's breaking resistance, if new buyers are coming in, let them come in so that push your price higher. Okay, get past that area here. A lot of times, new traders, traders are watching these areas, and you'll get new buys come in. Okay, while we bought all the way down here. That's what we want. Want them to push that price higher. All right, this one is holding. Right, white candle here, PEAK. Just keep an eye on it. You do have purple support and resistance. So just remember, purple support and resistance. Within the markup phase, we've got lower highs, lower lows. All right, so it might change direction or just means a slowing in price, but that doesn't mean we close the trade. Keep an eye on it. All right, we could get buyers to come back in and move the price higher. Okay, I'm trying to find an example here. No examples. Okay. All right, that's holding. All right, like here's a good example. Okay. So S right here, buy signal was here at 1781. All right, came down, white candles here. All right, and then followed by big green candle. Those are buyers. All right. And now moving higher, looking to test resistance up here. If it breaks this resistance, we could see buyers really come in again and push that price higher. Okay. So don't be afraid to hold on to those trades, but at the right time and at the right place. Okay. All right. This one here is holding. Buy signal was here, broke through its first target here. We don't have a second target on the daily, so just let it run. All right. This is holding TEX and X-ray holding fine. All right. X-ray holding fine. Good markdown phase. Fine. We need sellers, right, in order to buy. Okay, we need sellers in order to buy. Buy signal here, XRAY, moving up nicely. Okay, all right. Let's go through Monster Scalper. We'll spend the rest of the time looking for some opportunities in Monster Scalper. So our Monster Scalper traders, if you did not catch this previous run here, in the yen pairs, right? In the yen pairs, in the pound pairs, um, just pay attention to what you're doing, okay? Because I mean, if we add all those pips, I'm thinking probably over 4,000 pips, guys. All right, so we want to be grabbing some of those pips. If you did not trade those yen pairs, right? Just watch what you're doing. Get with me. All right, so Monster Scalper. Let's look for some new opportunities. Aussie dollar. This is definitely setting up. All right, so for our Monster Scalper traders, I would go ahead. All right, don't get into the trade, but go ahead and frame it up. All right, so go ahead and put in your resistance line. We know where that is. You can put it up here, or if you want to put it here where that previous signal closed. All right, bring in your markdown phase right here. And then you can wait. You can bring in, right? It's still trying to, buyers in yet, but you can do this and just wait. All right, just wait for the trade. But this one is setting up. If it moves lower into that markdown phase, just bring it down so that when it does give a buy signal, you're ready. Okay, get ready. Eventually, buyers will have to come in. They don't sell off forever. All right, so Aussie dollar, keep an eye on that one, and we still have good volatility here in Forex. Right, a lot of these pairs here are above 20 and yellow, and we know, right, when that happens, we've got volatility. Only a few consolidating down here. Okay, so Forex is still healthy. All right, so Aussie New Zealand. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, are we in Aussie Swiss? So we're not, yes, we're in Aussie New Zealand and Aussie Swiss. We're in those two. Let's bring this in here. And we'll go, we've got 17 minutes. We'll be fine. We've got enough time to go through this. So just remember, bring in your lines. This will help you guys stay in your trade. I know several of you are doing this and it has helped. It helps me too. Stay in focus when we do this. All right. That's Aussie Swiss, Aussie CAD. All right. So Aussie CAD, not quite ready, but I would go ahead, bring in your resistance line and bring in your markdown phase so that when it's ready, you're ready. All right. And this will help you from trading it prematurely. Okay. All right. New Zealand dollar. All right, same here. This is setting up. They're not quite ready yet, but this is what we should be doing. And look at the previous long trades, great long trades. Okay. All right. So nice pullback. Look at that. All that good selling here. All that good selling. All right. So here's our resistance here. All right. Markdown phase. And then just wait. Now, if you shorted it, that's a different story. Okay. If you shorted it down here, just hold on to your short. Okay. All right. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand Swiss, nothing yet on that one here. New Zealand CAD. All right, New Zealand CAD. I would say just wait on this one here. It's still firmly in the markdown phase. Okay, now we didn't short any of these, right? Because we were long in most of these. Okay, now since the yen pairs are closing, giving sell signals, I think it's too early to go short, but we'll take a look at what they're doing on the short side. All right, the yen pairs. So ZAR yen, nothing yet. Dollar yen, nothing yet. All right, no sell short signals. Turkish TRY, nothing yet. I think it's too early. Okay, Singapore yen, nothing yet. No sell signals. We're looking for sell signals. New Zealand yen, it's got a sell signal, but very choppy, not ready. HKD JPY, not ready yet. So, like I said, most these are closing. So, pound yen, we know we are long in pound yen. Okay, so pound yen right here, long. All right, but this might close, right? This might close right here. Let's move this up. Right, this is where the previous buy signal closed. So if it closes, right, take profits. On the short side, nothing yet. Okay, nothing yet. Euro yen, right, nothing yet. So we're getting selling. Selling, it's coming in, slowly coming in, but not ready yet. Haven't turned over quite yet. Okay. All right. All right. Now it gets a bit tricky. Right. Dollar pairs, dollar pairs, dollar ZAR. All right. Dollar ZAR. We have a buy signal here. We didn't call this. Very choppy trading. All right. In dollar ZAR. And the ZAR pairs really move fast. USD TRY, nothing there. SGD, no buy signal. Now, we had a trade here that closed. If it breaks resistance, gives another buy signal, right? On USD SGD, we know what's going on with the dollar index, all right? We looked at the dollar index earlier. So if the dollar index continues to move higher, we get a buy signal. We could see where USD SGD really breaks out. If it gives a buy signal, we'll send it out, okay, to you guys. USD SEK, right? Right. Buy signal here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Same thing. Looking to break through that resistance. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a break through resistance. Nothing here. All right. USD NOK, buy signal here. Are we in this one? Yes, we're in this one. USD NOK, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Good markdown phase. Look at this markdown phase. Lots of good selling there. All right. USD MXN. All right. No buy signal here in this one here. Choppy trading. We would need to get it is a dollar pair. So if the dollar moves, but I would say here is the markdown phase. So let's make sense of this one. Markdown phase all the way down here. We do have a markup phase right here. All right. So here was our first trade. Not a very good trade. All right. But if we get another buy signal, I'm thinking we could get a buy signal past this area here. And that might be an opportunity, but not a great setup. USD MXN. All right, this one here, USD HUF. We are in this one here. Buy signal here, right? All the way up here. Broke through that resistance. Let's see if we have another target. Yes, we have a second target here. All right. And USD N, okay, nothing here. Absolutely. Be careful trading this, guys. All right. Lots of consolidation in there. USD DKK. All right. We're almost done. Just a few more minutes. All right. It has a buy signal here. USD DKK. All right. We'll call this one the concern here. Um, it's choppy in here, but if the dollar continues to move, guys, and we get a buy signal on the dollar index, this buy signal here could work out. We do have a purple support and resistance here, but we have all green candles and we're near the buy signal. So we'll call this. All right, first target is here, which it should get through. Second target is here. Okay, so USD, DKK in long, not short, long in monster scalper. All right, USD DKK long, and it's this buy signal right here. All right, USD CZK. All right, we're in this one already. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback. Nice big candles came in today. Okay, so lots of good buying came in today, so that's good. All right, do we have a second? Yeah, we have a second target, so it's nearing its second target. Well, I'll call that first target. So buy signal was here, first target, then second target all the way up here. So the dollar pairs are moving, okay, guys? All right, that's the next trade there. All right, USD CNH closed its first trade. So buy signal was here, broke support, red candle, closed here for a nice profit here. All right. So what we want to do, all those great pips we should have made or we did make. All right. In the yen pairs, pound pairs are starting to close. Take those profits now. Take all those profits, not all, keep some. All right. And then look for some opportunities in the dollar pairs. Okay. So USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Now I think dollar Swiss was the first one that moved. So we didn't get on this one here. All right, so let's just, we're not in this one, but markdown phase, we'll just draw it out here. Markdown phase, markup phase here, but we're not in this one. Look at this, very choppy buy signal, but we'll just draw it out. We're not in this one though. All right, that's dollar Swiss, Yeah. All right, and then dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. If dollar CAD gives another buy signal, all right, that will be an opportunity to get in. Nice target all the way up here. Not too choppy, all right? It's had two buy signals, small profitable trades, okay? But the dollar pairs, keep an eye on the dollar pairs. That might be the next trading opportunity, okay? All right. Euro pairs, let's see here. I don't think we have anything here. Euro pairs. Yeah, I don't think we have. Oh, that's a good one there. But overall, Euro pairs have been very choppy. All right, a few opportunities there, but overall, and then we know what's going on with the pound pairs. All right, good trading with the pound pairs. Let's see if we can find a new opportunity in the pound. And then we'll be done. Pound New Zealand, we're in pound. What a great trade with pound New Zealand. Buy signal here all the way, made it to its second target. Just a great trade there with pound New Zealand. Nothing there. Pound Swiss, another great trade we've got going. It's getting ready to break its resistance here. All right, so great trade there. And let's see here, pound CAD. Nothing, no buy signal. Pound Aussie, we're in pound Aussie. So great trades, pound New Zealand, pound Aussie, and pound Swiss. Great trades. Pound Aussie, buy signal here all the way up here. Now, pound Aussie, just remember, all right, we don't have a second target. If we don't have a second target, then your first target here becomes, right, that might be it, right about here. All right, this is where sellers came in before. Here, and here. Here we are. We bought here, right? Don't get too greedy. All right, now it's got some white candles, green candles, so we can tell it's struggling right here. Purple support and resistance. We leave it for now, but if you're in it, just take profits, okay? I doubt it will move much higher, okay? All right, guys. So the only trade we've got this evening for Monster Scalper is dollar USD DKK. All right. I don't think anything came over in Monster Scalper. I mean, in Forex Dominator. Stock Boss. I want to run this quickly here. Stock Boss. Let's just run Hit Seeker. Let's see here. How many? 27. So not much. And then Bull Master. All right. When things are really running, we'll get a few hundred. 42. So tomorrow we might take, if the market is up overall, right, we might take a look to add stocks tomorrow. Stock Boss and Bull Master. All right, guys. I hope you guys traded the yen pairs, pound pairs, right? That's a lot of pips, guys. So make sure, right, if you're not trading those pairs, you want to get on it. These dollar pairs, again, might be the next rotation. So if we take a look at the dollar index here, all right, if you're not on these rotations, staying on these trades, all right, then get with me. We need to figure out what's going on. And I'm talking to our monster scalper traders in particular. All right. Like I said, when we add up all those pips, right? There's almost 4,000 pips. When we look at all those pairs with this rotation, almost 4,000 pips. All right. We should be getting some of those pips. If not, get with me. All right. All right, guys. Take care. See everyone tomorrow. All right. Take care. Bye-bye. US 30 traders, just hold on to your trades. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.